So here we are on the south coast. Tonight I'm going to show you how we candle the eggs as best I can. I'm going to go in. We're going to get Dolly's ones out. She's up here. She's got a perch off for some reason. This is Dolly. Say hi, Dolly. You got 4 today. Great news. So the way we candle eggs, it's quite simple. You get yourself a torch. I've got a very, very strong one here. Now, however you want to do it, but what we do is we get the egg here, and then you gently hold it over the light. So we've got one there, that's not, oh maybe, you might be able to just see a little bit of veins there. Let's go number 2. So you see, you just hold it over, you can see through the shell. That one's a dud. As long as you're quick, you can get through them all. That one looks like a dud as well. We're not particularly good at the moment, just solely for the fact that we've got some very, very young mamas. There we go, that's one. There you go, you can see the veins there. And that is going to be a baby. So 1, possibly 2 out of 4.